Welcome, in front of me is Dell Latitude 5400, and in this video I will show you what to do if your laptop isn't turning on. The most common reason for that is your laptop simply being discharged, and in order to charge it you have to plug in the charging cable into one of the charging slots on the left edge of your laptop. You can use the original cable, which I highly recommend, and plug it into the barrel type charging port, which is right here, or alternatively you can use a substitute and you can plug it into the USB type C port that is right next to it. In my case I am using a substitute, and in case you're using a substitute cable, just make sure that it provides at least 60 watts of power to your device. If you want to check it, you have to grab your cable. Give me a moment. Actually, not your cable, but an AC adapter, and make sure that it provides at least 60 watts of power to your laptop. This much is enough for your laptop to charge normally. Then let your laptop charge for at least half an hour and press the power button to turn it on. And if it still doesn't want to turn on, that probably means that something is wrong with your battery. Maybe your device was exposed to extremely hot or cold temperature for a significant amount of time, and if that happened to your device, then let it rest without a charging cable plugged in for up to 12 hours, depending on how hot or cold the temperature was. Then plug in the charging cable, let your device charge a bit, and try repeating the process of turning it on. And if this doesn't help you, that probably means that your laptop should be your laptop's battery should be replaced. And in such case, you can contact Dell customer support service and send your laptop to them for them to take care of your device, or alternatively you can reach out to the nearest repair center and let them take care of your laptop. And that's it for this video. I hope that it helps you, and if it did, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like in the comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.